का मैसेज?
Alia, can you please come to the class?
Yes, ma'am. ये अतुल लिख कर आया था.
Okay. I think we should start with the class now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Cinderella story.
Cinderella story. Yeah, we will do it definitely today. But
Ma'am, please a poem.
poem. Which poem?
Humpty Dumpty.
Sat on a wall.
Yes.
Okay. चलो जितने अयान आ रहा है, let's wait. Let's just watch a short clip. Okay. Once Ayan will be here, then we can move to the other thing. Let's get started. So first you want to watch a Cinderella movie or a Humpty Dumpty poem?
Ma'am, first is Cinderella. Alia, that.
Okay. Fine. I am here with my Cinderella story. Okay. So Ayan is here. Okay. No problem. Let me just share my screen with you all. Okay. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Cinderella. Ma'am, second one.
Okay, just a second. Hold on. Let me share the sound.
And first.
Let's get
First.
You want to watch the first one? Okay.
Ma'am, this is. मैंने ये सुनी है.
Learn and earn rewards on
You
your
might have
learning
heard of it.
Level
मैंने
up.
सुनी है ये. इसमें.
Okay, Shita, don't.
Once upon a
This is
time.
my monster card.
That's nice. So here is a Cinderella story, and you all have to listen very carefully. I can see you all. If I will find anyone who is disinterested, the very moment I will be stopping this video. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, right?
Writing's not
Right.
that easy. Grammarly can help.
Okay. So let's begin with today's activity. You all have to speak about your favorite superhero. So, Ishita. Yeah. So who is going to speak first? Who is going to speak first?
Me?
Okay. And in the second place, Ayan, and in the third place, Alia. Right? Okay, Shita, let's start.
My movie character is Spider-Man. Spider-Man is a spider, and Black Spider-Man is a two Spider-Man. Black Spider-Man is villain, and Spider-Man is hero.
Okay, red one is the hero, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else? What you like in him? स्पाइडरमैन का क्या अच्छा लगता है?
Body.
अच्छा, बस वही अच्छी लगती है और कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता?
अच्छा लगता है।
क्या लगता है? What do you like the
स्पाइडर
most?
का गम वो जो होता है वो।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, वो जो ग्लू टाइप उसका वेब निकलता था यहाँ से, है ना?
हाँ यस।
Okay, very good. And Ayan, now you have to speak.
My favorite character is Thor.
Okay.
Thor is the movie's character. Thor has a head, one hammer.
Hammer.
Thor is the world of the hero. World of the
Hero of the world. You can say that way. Okay. Now Alia's turn. Very good, Ayan. Alia. Now you have to speak about your favorite superhero, Spider-Man.
My favorite.
आगे.
Spider-Man. Favorite.
Okay. Why you like Spider-Man?
मैम जाले
जालों को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
पता नहीं।
इशिता क्या कहते हैं? वेरी गुड अयान, वेब. जालों को क्या बोलते हैं?
वेब.
WEB, वेब. ओके ओके. और
मैम बस यही बोलते हैं.
बस यही. उसका कॉस्ट्यूम अच्छा लगता है इशिता को, है ना? बॉडी अच्छी लगती है. ओके. हैमर. ओके, हैमर हथौड़े को बोलते हैं. उसका पास हथौड़ा था ना थॉर के पास. चलो. यस. ओके. कल हमने पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन किया था. इन यस्टरडेज क्लास वी हैव डन पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन. वी हैड अ लुक ओवर वन पिक्चर एंड यू ऑल spoke about that picture, right? So today we are going to do something same like that only. Okay, so I will just share my screen with you and I will be showing you a picture and then you will be telling me the position of different objects. Okay, so basically आज का टॉपिक भी हमारा यही है, पिक्चर कॉम्पोजिशन. Okay, so you have to observe the picture carefully and I will be asking you the position of different objects in that picture. Are you guys ready?
Yes ma'am, I am ready.
Ishita, unmute yourself. Yes, fine now. Okay, so this is the picture. Okay.
मैम प्लीज बढ़ाइए,
Zoom in.
थोड़ा बड़ा कर दो.
Okay, wait a second. Zoom in नहीं हो रहा है. Wait a second.
Yes. Okay ma'am. That is one chair and one sofa, two pillows and one clock.
Okay, wait a second. Where is the clock?
Ma'am, this one clock.
Where is the clock? Clock कहाँ पर है?
In the picture.
In the picture तो है, लेकिन picture में कहाँ पर है? Where in the picture?
Ma'am,
The clock is on the wall. On the wall, right? The clock is on the wall, right? Where is the ball?
Table in The
Yes.
clock has time 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock time.
It's not 7 o'clock.
Yes, it is 7 o'clock.
It's 11:35 right now in
No,
this
11
clock.
is, no, 11 is 12. One,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5,
So
6.
I am asking, where is the ball?
Ball is under the table.
Very good, Ayan. So Ayan has identified the position of the ball. It is under the table. Very good. Okay. So where is the book?
Book is up the table.
Very good. And where is the cat? Ishita will tell me. Ishita will tell me, where is the cat?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayan.
sofa.
Cat is
Side is
behind the sofa, या आप इसको बोल सकते हो near the sofa. Right? Okay. Okay, okay. Where are flowers?
Flower is the vase. Pot on the vase.
In the vase. Very good. And where is the pot?
Pot table. The
Alia,
table.
you can also contribute.
The
Alia,
table.
where is the pot, Alia? On the table. Very good. Who said on? Ishita?
On the table.
Very good. On the table. Very good. Where is the lamp?
Lamp is on the table.
Very good. Very good. Very good. And let me just see.
मैम हमारी बच्ची कब आएगी?
Now this is the turn for Alia. Alia, tell me, where is the carpet? Where is the carpet?
Where is the carpet? One chair, one table, one sofa, one cat, one book, one ball.
I'm not asking you one. Okay. I am asking you, where is the carpet? You have to tell me the position of the carpet. Carpet कहाँ पर है? आलिया, कहाँ पर है carpet?
फर्श पे.
हाँ, तो फर्श को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? वेरी गुड, गो अहेड. फर्श को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं आलिया? इशिता, फ्लोर. क्या कहते हैं फर्श को? फ्लोर. अयान, अपनी वीडियो ऑन करो. अयान, अपनी वीडियो ऑन करो. तो ये फ्लोर है, तो कारपेट कहाँ पर है? ऑन द फ्लोर. कहाँ पर है?
On the floor.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. So this is how we tell the positions of the objects. Okay, in, on, under. ठीक है, तो आज हम यही देखेंगे. तो सबसे पहले हमने सीखा इन के बारे में. इन क्या होता है? किसी चीज के अंदर.
अंदर.
ठीक है. ऑन होता है किसी चीज के ऊपर. वेरी गुड. फिर हमने देखा नियर. नियर का क्या मतलब होता है? पास में.
पास में.
और फिर हमारा होता है बिहाइंड, यानी कि पीछे. अयान, फिर इसी तरीके से हमारे और भी होते हैं, जैसे कि एट. एट हमारा यूज होता है जब हमारे पास एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन होती है, यानी कि बिल्कुल वही जगह होती है या एग्जैक्ट टाइम होता है. जैसे कि हमारी क्लास कब शुरू होती है? एट 9 PM. राइट. तो 9 क्या है? एट लगाया हमने 9 से पहले, तो ये हमारा पोजीशन बता रहा है, टाइम बता रहा है कि किस टाइम पे हो रही है हमारी क्लास. यस इशिता, नाउ से.
मैम पेपर को लोग बोलते हैं ना?
पेपर को
लोग.
पेपर को
हिंदी
लोग
में
पेपर को लोग नहीं बोलते. Who said? No, no. You, I think you want to say something else, but you are unable to just share that particular word to me. Just a second. Hold on. Okay. So at होता है exact position या time के लिए. फिर हमारा आता है next above. above हम यूज करते हैं कोई चीज अगर हमारे ऊपर होती है ना, लेकिन उसके बीच में गैप होता है, बट गैप इज देयर. जैसे कि हमारी जो बर्ड है वो कहाँ पे फ्लाई कर रही है, अबव द ट्री. तो आई विल बी शोइंग यू अ वीडियो. ठीक है.
मैम प्लीज पोयम हम्टी डम्टी.
वेट. See this preposition words. Okay, you have to watch this carefully and I will be asking you the positions. Okay, Alia, can you please focus in the class rather than just asking your younger sister to join the class, because you don't interact in the class even. You are not serious at all. I don't know why. What's the reason behind that?
Oh.
Just a second, let me share the sound as well. Okay, sound is shared. Fine. So you have to watch this video very carefully. इसके अंदर आपको बताएंगे कि हम किस किस तरीके से किन किन वर्ड्स का यूज करके हम एग्जैक्टली चीजों की पोजीशन को बता सकते हैं.
The information you've been looking
Sorry,
for.
what are you? Okay, you can go. Okay, go.
Search, right? Wait a second. You cannot possibly.
Children, today's topic is preposition, or you can say the position words. Can you see these 4 pictures? You can see a common ball. The question is, where is the ball?
Okay, so यहाँ पर आपको different let me just
On
देखिए
under near.
देखिए. यस, वेरी गुड. ये बॉल जो है वो कहाँ पर है, बॉक्स के अंदर है. तो कोई चीज जब अंदर होती है, व्हाट डू वी यूज, इन. ओके, व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट, जब वो किसी चीज के ऊपर होता है तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं,
On.
ऑन. जब किसी चीज का नीचे होता है तो
Under.
अंडर, और जब किसी चीज के पास होता है तो
Near.
वेरी गुड. आलिया, will you please pay attention, or you can just leave the class, because I don't want distracted students in my class. You are constantly looking here and there. I don't know where you are busy at. Such kind of behavior just disturbs the entire discipline of the classroom. I don't like this at all.
Okay, children, in the picture number 1, if you notice, you can see the ball is inside a box. And if you see picture number 2, the ball is, how are we
Ma'am,
able to
ma'am ji.
identify
Yes.
the ball is near the table?
बोलिए.
हमारी सिस्टर ना हमको ना परेशान करी जा रही है.
Ask your mother. She will help you out, definitely.
अब आप इसको ले लो.
Okay.
As I told you, in this video, we will be discussing on in, on, under, and near. So I'll talk about in first. Can you see 3 eggs, children?
ये eggs दिख रहे हैं आप लोगों को? Can you see these eggs? Where are these eggs? Where are these eggs?
The eggs are in the nest.
Very good. Very good. So, Ayan, we have discussed that. Can you see all these images of a ball, 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 and ball, and a table, 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 and a box, right? So here is the ball which is inside this box. तो जब कोई चीज किसी के अंदर होती है तो हम What your little brother is doing? Ishita, sit properly. No, but you are not supposed to go in between the class. Ishita, Ishita, where are you busy at?
मैम आई दैट को और क्या बोलते हैं वो सोच रही हूँ.
क्या सोच रही हो?
नियर को और क्या बोलते हैं?
नियर को नियर ही बोलते हैं, वो पास में वही आता है. Let me just find you a small, let me just find it out if it's available. Okay. Look at here. Here is a box, okay, and here is a puppy. So you have to tell me, where is the puppy?
Near the box. Near the box.
Okay, where is the puppy?
Above the box.
Where is the puppy?
Under the box. Near the box.
आप देखो, जब किसी चीज के सामने होगा ना, जैसे कि बॉक्स के सामने है यहाँ पे पपी, है ना, तो हम इसको बोल सकते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ, यानी कि उसके सामने ही है, इन फ्रंट है. जैसे मम्मी बोलती है ना कम इन फ्रंट, यानी कि ये सामने आओ. मैम भी बोलती होंगी, है ना, कम इन फ्रंट. तो इन फ्रंट ऑफ यूज करते हैं हम. फिर यहाँ पे जैसे ये पीछे छुपा हुआ है ना, तो इसको हम बोलते हैं बिहाइंड. पीछे छुपने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? और सामने आने को क्या बोलते हैं? इन फ्रंट. इन फ्रंट. इन फ्रंट. इन फ्रंट ऑफ क्या बोलेंगे?
इन फ्रंट ऑफ.
यस, इसको बोलेंगे हम इन फ्रंट ऑफ. ओके, फिर हमारा पपी यहाँ पे कहाँ पर है? ऑन द बॉक्स, है ना. फिर यहाँ पे कहाँ पर है? बिहाइंड द बॉक्स.
Behind the box.
अभी यहाँ पे कहाँ पर है? बॉक्स के
Under the box.
वेरी गुड. इन द बॉक्स. इन द बॉक्स, बॉक्स के अंदर है. देन ओके, नहीं, ये वाला अंडर हो जाएगा, अंडर द बॉक्स, और ये वाला इन हो जाएगा, इन द बॉक्स. और ये क्या है? जब दो चीज,
मैम दिस इज अ बिफोर, मतलब कि
दो चीजों के बीच में जब कोई चीज होती है तो क्या हो जाता है? वो
between.
वेरी गुड. सो आई होप you guys know all about this.
No.
You didn't knew before, but I hope you want you will be able to differentiate now कि in क्या होता है, on क्या होता है. जब कोई चीज किसी के सामने होती है तो वो क्या हो जाती है? उसकी पोजीशन क्या होती है? in front of. उसकी पोजीशन क्या होती है?
In front of.
in front of का क्या मतलब होता है?
पास में.
सामने.
सामने.
वेरी गुड. और behind का क्या मतलब होता है?
छिपना.
पीछे.
पीछे.
जो छुपा हुआ होता है ना, पीछे होता है वो. और बिटवीन होता है दो चीजों के बीच में. ये दो बॉक्सेस है, इसके बीच में डॉग है, इसके बीच में पपी है, तो ये क्या हो गया? बिटवीन द बॉक्सेस, राइट?
मैम आई एम करेक्ट, दिस इज द बिटवीन.
Yes, you were right. Let's do this activity also. Okay. Now you have to tell me, where is the cat?
In the box.
Under the box. Very good. Where is the bird now? Very good. Very good. Where is the cat now?
In the box.
In the box. Very good, Ishita. Now here, where is the bird?
On the box.
Very good. And where is the cat?
They near the box. In the box.
Okay, you can say near. That's okay for me. Okay, you can say near at your level. And where is the cat now?
Behind the box.
Very good. Clap yourselves. Very good. Alia, you want to contribute to the class? I don't know why you seem really very disinterested. Now for the next activity, Alia is going to speak and nobody is going to help Alia. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Alia. Now you have to tell me. Where is the cat?
Table.
Where is the cat? You have to tell me the position.
Where is the cat?
Cat कहाँ पर है?
मैम टेबल पे.
तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में?
Table.
Ishita, where is the cat?
On the table.
Ayan, where is the dog?
Under the table. Under
Dog,
the
dog. In the box.
box.
In the box. तो आलिया, जब आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे नहीं तो आप आंसर्स भी नहीं दे पाएंगे. क्लास में सुनना शुरू करो. इधर उधर ध्यान लगाने से बेटर है कि क्लास में जो कराया जा रहा है उस पर फोकस किया जाए. Okay, Ishita, now you have to say, where is the rat?
Ma'am, not his answer.
Ayan, you want to say, where is the rat?
Ma'am, answer is near.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Near. Where is the duck, Ishita?
Under.
Very good. Under. Under. Where is the rabbit?
Behind.
Very good. And where is the hen? Hen? You can say near या in front of. कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, या तो सामने बोल दो या नियर बोल दो. Very good.
Ma'am, near.
मतलब पास में और in front of मतलब सामने. ठीक है? I hope is that clear to you all?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then, that's all for today's class. You want to watch a short poem of Humpty Dumpty, right? And after that, we will be ending up the class. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay.
You all are going to repeat it.
Okay, ma'am.
Humpty Dumpty. सबको repeat करनी है, देख देख के
Okay.
और सुन सुन के. मुझे अच्छा लगना चाहिए और आप लोगों को भी.
Ma'am, I speak the Humpty Dumpty.
Okay, Humpty Dumpty poem. Obviously in English. Okay.
Ten Humpty Dumpty said,
Okay.
What happened?
Nothing, nothing. I was just checking the sound. Let's start.
on a one Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Nine Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. One Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Repeat it.
Humpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. 7 Humpty Dumpty sat.
You're not liking this.
Man not liking there are
Wait, I will just,
numbers.
yeah.
The first one.
So how was it?
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
Then
Humpty sat on a wall.
Humpty Dumpty.
On the wall. Horses the king has man.
Okay. So these were the two poems. So for tomorrow, basically for Monday, we will be meeting at 8 p.m. Okay.
Picture competition tomorrow.
Not for picture. Tomorrow is Sunday, today is Saturday. So what we will be doing is, you have Sunday in your hand. You all have to learn a poem. Okay. With actions you have to do. A short poem in English. Okay. You have to recite that poem with actions. Is that okay? एक छोटी सी पोएम याद करना, और उसको एक्शंस के साथ करके दिखाना, ठीक है? Ayan, Ishita, is that fine?
Fine. Ma'am, you're fine.
Okay, so that's all for today. So do you like the class today?
Yes.
आज जो पढ़ाया पोजीशंस के बारे में, किस तरीके से पोजीशंस बताई जाती है, समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
आलिया, Ayan,
Ma'am.
very good. चलिए, so that's all for today. That's all for today.